Hey YouTube. So it's been about 5 months now since I got my Deeper Genesis Node miner and the fan stopped working. This is what it looks like under the hood. You can see the fan constantly starting and stopping. This significantly decreased my download speeds. I didn't see anything online on how to fix it, so I figured I'd make this quick little tutorial to help out anybody else who runs into this issue. If this does help you, please leave a like and subscribe for more content in the future. So after you unscrew all 4 screws underneath the rubber, you're going to see another 2 screws that you'll also need to unscrew as well. Unscrew those, and then you'll be able to take out the board.
It's down, I kind of reached in there and pushed it down. There's that fan. There's that fan that's causing all the trouble. Alright, I'm going to take that fan off now.
I looked on Telegram and saw that some people had bought this. Let's see if you can get a good view of it. Comes in a box. There's a bunch of different stuff in there with this fan. I was told by someone who's done it already that basically you just need to snip right there and take this piece out, and then also snip right here on this fan, and then just connect the wires. Now if you look really closely, you'll be able to see that there's actually 3 wires on here. There's a yellow one, a red, and a black, whereas on the previous one that you get in the miner there's only red and black. So you just don't need the yellow. You just connect the red and black and it should work fine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So actually there's a little sticker under here. I'll take that out. I'm going to try to, so I'm going to snip these. Okay. Now I want to get to the actual copper wire itself, so I'm going to do a little, they actually make tools for this, but I don't have a wire cutter, so I'm going to try to, oh, and that didn't work, I just cut it by accident. Okay, got the red. Alright, so you can see this right here, hopefully. Connect those. Connecting the wires here was probably the hardest part of the whole thing. I don't have small fingers, and then just using some electrical tape to wrap it all up and to make sure that those are securely connected. So lastly, all you have to do is screw it back in. Plug that little white piece back into the port and then test it out. I would recommend testing it out before you put all the casing back on, just to make sure it worked. Mine worked flawlessly, and it's even quieter than the fan before. Like, you can't even hear anything. So the new fan is pretty great. Alright, I hope this helped you guys out if you had the same issue. If it did, please give it a like, and thanks for tuning in.